Welcome back to the VST channel, Vegas here guys. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can very quickly enhance your security. It's already December, so you're most probably visiting a lot of work related parties, other parties, you go here and there, and yeah, you know how it goes. Everybody has the right to do whatever they want. I'm not judging here, but what can happen is that your phone gets into the hands of other people. They can try to record you. Anyway, there are a lot of options how things can go wrong there, but if you want to enhance your security, guys, one very short thing you can do is, of course, just don't give your phone to other people, or yeah, just use all the pin codes and the face unlock and the fingerprint reader scanners, or you can just go here, right, and boom, turn the sensors off, which will practically kill all the sensors. So let me show you what happens right now. Sensors are off. Okay, so let's say I'm trying to record something, and right now you can just see, yeah, there is actually not a possibility for me to record anything. If you don't believe, I'm just gonna run it one more time. So I'm starting the voice recorder, and yeah, it doesn't really work. Let's try to take a group picture with all your nice colleagues. Everybody probably drunk on a photo. No, I can't take no photos, guys, because security policy prevents me of opening my camera. The moment I decide to switch my sensors on, yeah, I can record videos, I can record photos, and even if I am to now record my voice, you're gonna see voice works. Now, the thing is, how do you enable this, guys? It's very easy. You need to go down to your developer's options. If you don't know how, find it. It's very easy, or just ask for help inside the comments. Once you're there, scroll down until you find something called Quick Settings Developer Tiles. Boom, sensors off, guys. The moment you click here, you're gonna get the sensors off, and the moment you switch this quick setting on, your camera is just going to, yeah, just be killed. Or let's say another use case scenario. My case, I give my phone to the kids, they try to record videos of them playing games and eat all my memory, so I don't want them to use the camera, and right now there is no other option here to get a second user. Somehow Samsung removed that one, but sensors off is a good thing if you have little kids around and you just want them to use the phone and don't take any photos, any videos whatsoever. So enhance your privacy and your security with this very quick sensor off tip, guys. And if you like videos like this, yeah, well, don't forget to sub for the channel. With that said, VST over and bye.